new button, and I'll save it as a PSD document, so if we have to come back and change something, we can change it. And I'll also save it as a JPEG image. I'll duplicate this layer and I'll select the text and I'll change the color, and I'll say save as new button roll over, save. And I've saved these two buttons in learning website folder, and then there is a folder called images, and that's where I've saved these buttons. Okay, so that was how you design a button. What I actually have done, I've designed one button and I've created different text on it. I'll show you what I mean. So if I open all buttons PSD and open it, so and zoom it in, I've got a line here. It means that I wanted my text just to appear just above the line. I didn't want to change the alignment. And if I just switch this off and on, so there are different layers on one page. So if I click this off, this is partnership program rollover, and if I do that, this is white color partnership program. Okay, and if I close this layer and open this layer, this is courses, and if I close this layer, and so I've designed one button and I've created different layers on it. But I have also shown you how to create a new button. So what we'll do, we'll close this, we'll go back to Dreamweaver, and we want to insert the new button here. Okay, and this is a library item. We don't want to change button on every page. We've got quite a few pages now. So I'll go back to library, and this is the new design library item, and I'll click my cursor here. I'll go to insert image object and roll over image. Okay, we'll say we want to create a new page called e-commerce, and I'll browse the original image. I'll go to images, and I don't want to use the button that I just created. I want to use the button that I created earlier because I don't want to change the format. So I'll go back to e-commerce. This is a PSD file. I don't want to use this, and this is a JPEG image. So I'll say OK, and I'll choose a rollover image which is yellow in color. So I'll go to browse e-commerce rollover. This is a JPEG image. OK, and we haven't created a page yet, so I'll save it. I'll control S to update all pages, and it's done. So if I go to index page now, we've got this new button here. So let me create a page with e-commerce. I'll simply save this page as save as, and I'll say e-commerce, and this page should appear here if I refresh this. So this is the new page, and I'll go back here and I'll say e-commerce, and I'll go to properties, and I'll change this class to headings, and I'll delete all this. Control S to save. Now one more thing, we have to create a link. So go back to designed link library item, select this button here, and right mouse click and properties, and you can simply drag and drop it to e-commerce. Control S to save, update again, close, and then go back to index and view it in Internet Explorer. And okay, so if I click this, you can go to e-commerce page here. So that's how you create a new button, and that's how you create a new link. Now for those who have been following the tutorials, there's a courses link here, information technology and Dreamweaver courses. Most of the courses have been uploaded, and I'll upload rest of the courses so you can actually go through these courses and then click here, and then this video will appear. Play it, make sure that you press this button here, make sure you press this button to see the full screen video.